Okay, I have a new idea for this thing right here. Oops. Make a new tab that says something about what you have typed in the CPU. Send back. Send back. No, well, not line of grid. What is this one? Yeah. Is this one? I think it's this one. Yeah, wrong. Whatever you type in here can determine what the console will say. So it's practically like this one down here, just in my operation. How many would actually like to see that? So for example, say that console says if your runner's code, if your if your code has an error, if what you type in the CPU is an error, the CPU code, and all those other things. If there's an error in any sense of any sense, would it be great? Maybe.